Whether it was non-humans or not, it certainly scared the people living on this property. Now, before we show you that video, listen to their call for help.
There's like an 8-foot person, and it has big eyes and looking at us. And it's still there. And they're very large. They're like 8 foot, 9 feet, 10 foot. I don't know.
Whatever I saw was real, and it was real big too, and scary.
Big eyes. They have big eyes. Like I can't explain it. They're shiny eyes, and they're not human. They're 100% they're not human.
Whatever I saw, it wasn't human. It wasn't.
The Obsessive Shadow.